Hello guys, in this beautiful day, today I need to make an update video about my life. It's not very easy to make this video, but I need to make it so you can understand my perspective on my future videos and future of my channel. Who am I? If you are new to this channel, my name is Andrew. And I moved to Portugal around 3.5 years ago. I moved with my family, and first we moved to Cascais. Life was beautiful, of course, new country hype, beautiful weather, beautiful architecture in cities, nature wonders. That's all about Portugal, and it stayed until this day. But we've been living in Cascais for 3 years. And I always felt that that's not the right place for me, and we decided to move. That was easier move for me because, as I told before, I never felt Cascais as my place where I want to live long term. It's beautiful, it has everything you need, it's close to Lisbon. But I'm a simple guy and I like more authentic feeling of the base location. I hope you understand what I mean. Back then, I've been already to a lot of places in Portugal, so I approximately had the picture where I want to live. And that place was Leiria. Since I stepped foot in that city, I said, this is my place, this is my home. I want to live here. So we moved to Leiria. It was half a year ago. We lived in Leiria 6 months. Life was going great. Well, at least for me in Leiria. I had big plans. I wanted to buy a land, build a house, settle, because I felt that place from the bottom of my heart that it's my city. Of course, I didn't want to live in a city, I want to live in suburbs, but what you want from the city, for me and my soul, Leiria had it all. But you know the saying, man plants and God laughs. And that's, I think, is the story for me now. I will show you so you can paint a picture. So this is Leiria. This is my family. And this is my future plans. After half a year in Leiria, this is what's left. Leave it all behind. Let it all go. I will not go into detail because everything is still fresh. I just want to let you know that I will be the main character on this channel, and from every now and then you will see my daughter. Maybe after a while I can share the reasons why, what I did wrong, like etc. etc. But right now I hope you will understand, and probably I will not answer future comments about that regard. You can't convince them or change their minds. It's hard to be kind. Right now, I'm staying with my friend on Silver Coast. But one day I hope to return to Leiria with new force, with new ideas, but I cannot promise when it will happen. Will it happen? It's just life, you know. So yes, guys, I'm kind of rebuilding life. I cannot say from zero because I still have my daughter. I still have my channel. I still have you. Let's rebuild this. I will rebuild this.